students. In last session, we learned some introduction part about the Python. There we learned about the Python blocks, Python ideally, Python basic data types. Now in this today's session, we learn about operators in Python. So in Python, we have, it was classified into following operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise, boolean, membership and identity. So all these operators you know in previous C language when we have learned about arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise, boolean. Mostly it will play same role as in C. So the two operators we are learning about extra thing is membership operators in Python. So first we'll go a glance on all the operators, arithmetic operators. So you know the name itself is telling that arithmetic operators always perform the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division, right? But here one more operator is added which is not available in C, that is power. Suppose if I want to calculate x power y, then you can write an expression as x into y. So in this example, 3 double hashtag 2 indicates power. And when you consider for the division, here we need to notice one thing. For division, here we have two operators. This division will give a float division. See, for example, if I perform 5 by 2, it will give the value as 2.5. Now, it is nothing but integer division. It will give 2, only output as integer value. This is about the arithmetic operators. We'll see here, see, I am having 5 plus 2, it is giving 7. It is known as addition. Now if I want to do subtraction, it will do. If I want to do multiplication, then I'll use a symbol 5 into 3. If I want to do division, now see, 5 by 2. By 2 means it is giving 2.5. If I give 5 doubles 2, then it is giving 2. And we have one more operator here, 5 modular 2. It will give the remainder 1. Next, we have one more operator, 5 power 2. That means 5 square. 5 square means 25. It is. So these are the arithmetic operators in Python. Next, relational operators. The name itself is telling that it will check the relationship between two operands. Here relation is nothing but less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, double equals to, not equals to. So here always relational operators will return Boolean type, because it will check the relation either yes or no, that means true or false. For example, I am checking here 5 less than 7, it is true. 9 greater than 5, true. 8 is less than or equals to 8, yes, less than or equals to, so true. 7 is greater than or equals to 9, false. So I can also compare two values with the two are same, that is A double equals to B. See, for example, if I am having A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10, if I write A is equals to B means it will compare A and B. If both are equal, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Next, not equal to, I can also check whether A is not equals to B. Here the condition is A is equals to B. If I write A is not equals to B, it will return false. So this is about the relational operators. Next, logical operators. So in Python, logical operators are represented by the name and, or, not. See this example, 5 greater than C, 3 less than 5. According to us, 5 greater than C is 7 is false. False, and 3 less than 5, true. So always logical operators perform like this truth table. expression 1, expression 2, operator, result. See, expression 1 is here 5 greater. So if the expression 1 is true and expression 2, if both are true and or, if both are true, it returns true or true. If anything one is false, it will return false. If any one is true, or returns true. Next, false, true, false, true. Suppose both are false, then and is false, false. So we'll see the execution here. We are taking two expressions here. A expression I am taking it as 5 greater than 7. And B expression I am taking it as 7 greater than or 7 less than or equals to 9. Now, if A is what here? False. B is what here? True. Because A expression is what? 5 greater than 7. Then it is false. 7 less than or equals to 9. It is true. So if I one is false, one is true. Here if I apply here A and B, then it will return false. Because for and, if any one of is false, it is false. Next, A or B. For or, if any one is true, true. Right? Suppose one more operation A. Logical operators, only logical not. Logical not, what it will do means it will make true as false, false as true. See, for example, A is what here? A is false. If I make not of A, not of A, then it will return true. So what are the logical operators here? And, or, and not. Next, assignment means you are assigning some value, that is known as assignment operators. These are some operators equals to, plus equals to. See, when an expression A is equals to A plus B, if the expression is like this, if left hand side value and right hand is both are equal, then I can represent as A plus B equals to B. So that is this one. So this statement indicates what? Means A is equals to A plus 8. This indicates B is equals to B minus 8. This indicates A is equals to A into 8. This indicates A is equals to A by 8. This indicates B is equals to 10. This indicates A is equals to A percentile 5. This indicates B is equals to B power of 8. So like this it will continue. This is about the assignment operators. See here, up to now whatever operators we have seen, it is performing on the numbers. When you are coming to the bitwise operators, it will perform on individual bits. Individual bits means, suppose if I am taking 2, it will convert this number into binary number 0, 1. Then if I have taken 3, 0, 1, 1. If I perform and between this and like this, total again it will convert into a result. This is about the bitwise operators. It will always perform on the individual bits. See here, first it is converted into binary number, and same thing and or, if either of one is false and it returns false. 0 or 1, 0. 1 or 1, 1. 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 1, 1. And these are zeros, it will get it 10. So similarly for or, if either of one is true, true. 1, 1. So I am getting 11. XOR means if both bits are same, then it will returns 0. Otherwise it will returns 1. Say if both the bits are same here, so it is returning 0. If two bits are different, then it will return true. Then bitwise individual bits it will take. Left shift right, it will shift the bits to left or it will shift the bits to right. So this is the left shift, right shift, bitwise complement, XOR, bitwise OR. So this all will perform same as in C. Next, Boolean operators. So you know Boolean operators means true or false. Either it will return true or it will return false. That's why we'll call and always return either true or false, or always return either true or false. Not I always return either true or false. So these are known as the Boolean operators. Next, so now we need to learn somewhat more pressure on this in and not in operators. So these operators are known as membership operators. Membership, that means it will check the availability or in our sequence. So these operators useful to check the membership in sequence. So here in, for example, I have a list 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to check in my list whether 3 is there or not. 3 in L. 3 is there, no? So it will return true. 3 not in L. It will return false. For example, writing here L equals to, now it is a list in a sequence. If you want to check whether the member is availability or not, then we'll go for list. I'll write here print 3 in L. Then it will print true. If I write here print 3 not in L. See here, you are telling that 3 is not there in L, but 3 is there in L, no? So it will return false. So this is about the mem. And before going to the identity operators, I want to tell you some function, that is ID function. ID function always return here. ID function will returns here the address of a variable. Okay. See, for example, I am writing A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10. That means A and B are pointing to the same value 10. If I print their IDs, print ID of A, that means addresses, it is printing some address. If I print ID of B, it's the same addresses it is printing. 1, 4, 6, 7, that's the same. So here, what are the membership identity operators in C are is not. Okay. What is will do means, if both the variables is pointing to same address, then is returns true. See, if I write here A is B, true. So I am taking one more value here, C is equals to 20. So ID of C, this much. Now ID of C is different, ID of A is B are different now. So if I write here A is C, then it will return false. A is not C, that means it is both are different, then it will return. This about the identity operators. So is an operator used to compare the memory locations of two objects. If the memory locations of two objects is same, then is operator returns true. If the memory location of two objects is not same, then memory location will return, that is operator will return false. So that is about the is. So how to check the memory location means using the ID operators. So these are the operators in C. What are the operators in Python? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, Boolean operators, membership operators, identity operators. So here, when an expression, if both the operators are there, for which operator we need to perform first? So for that, we use operator precedence and associativity. When we'll go for the precedence means different operators. When we'll go for the associativity means if operators having same precedence, then at which order we need to perform, either left to right or right to left. So this is the operator. Always we'll give first precedence to parenthesis, then exponential, then unary minus, then multiplication, division, float division. See, these are all arithmetic, but first preference is multiplication, division, float division, then modulus. Next, addition, subtraction. For shift, left shift, right shift, when and then or then ex. Again, relational operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators. Like that will come the precedence. So by this we can conclude about the operators. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.